excited to be joined today by John Lawrence, who is the president of CyberFuels. So to kick things off, John, I would actually like to show a case study for a trucking fleet that reduced fuel consumption by 30.39%. So I'm going to share my screen here, and we're going to talk through this a little bit. So there was a baseline fuel economy level across 11 different engines, and then a new fuel economy level when using the CyberFuels solution. Can you tell us about this study?
Yeah, Andy, we used a trucking firm in the Southeast United States to run a base test or a baseline test for us and measure the miles that they're now using on 11 different vehicles with different ages and different makes and models of those vehicles, so that we could get a really well-rounded view of where they stand in today's current structure without using the CyberFuels dynamo additive. So they did the baseline study for us, and then we got all those odometer readings and fuel costs and so forth. And after several weeks, we then added our all-in-one dynamo fuel additive to them, and we measured how the miles increased and repairs were reduced. And at the end, I think I'm going to let you show that one number there on the lower right-hand side, the 30.39% increase in fuel miles per gallon, which was outstanding. And we've seen anywhere from, say, 8 to over that 30% range in our other tests that we've done. This one was just a real fun one because of the different engine varieties and the very extensive help that the operational manager did to allow us to do this kind of test for them. So we were real excited about the results, and I guarantee you he was too.
Absolutely. 30.39% fuel economy improvement is a game changer. No doubt about it. You know, according to Truckers Report, 39% of the cost of operating a big rig truck is fuel. So almost 40%, 39%. So this makes a huge impact for sure.